Okay, so this computer right here is the MacBook Air from 2017, and this is my current computer, but today I'm going to be getting the MacBook Pro 2022. It's a good computer and the computer that I started editing in.
Boring!
So yeah, this video is basically a farewell to my old computer because here's the MacBook Pro. So yeah. Damn, that's so satisfying. Let's go. Holy snap. Okay, where did I pull? Oh, okay. Damn. This is actually insane. This is insane. Okay. Hold up. Alright. Let's put this aside. Alright. Did I do that right? I think I did it right. Holy snap. Yo, check that out. Let's go. Alright. Oh snap. What the heck? Yo. That is crazy. Alright, now we're just gonna keep this playing in the back of this. Right over here. Let's see what else Apple got us. Charging cable. Okay. It's nice. Damn. We got it. It's white, which is also my favorite color. This is such good quality. It's way better than the old one that I had. Because that one would bend. This is like ultra bendable. Designed by Apple in California. Alright, let me sit down, bro. Let's check this out. Oh! MacBook Pro. And this. Is this the stickers? Oh, yes, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, snap. We'll do that later. Hold up. Let's go.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Damn, I didn't know she would talk. Alright. What is this? Damn, did they just put this to make it look like it's bigger? You can't take this out. Oh, that's all good. That's all good. Okay, over here's the charger. I guess the port. Yo, I keep ripping everything. Let's go. Alright, y'all. This is it. This is it. Let's go. Boom, chakalaka. Yo, this feels so nice. United States, bro. Alright, so it's basically telling us to connect this, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so I guess we just connect it right here. Nice. Holy crap. Just got it out of the box and I already had to upgrade it, bro. Dude, why? Oh my gosh.
2,000 years later.
The most important thing. Oh, snap. Alright. Let's go. That was actually pretty quick. Alright, bro. What should be the first song we test on these speakers? I'm going with this one. Here we go. And all thanks to my mom for getting me this computer. It's really quite amazing and I really love it. And I'm never gonna forget this thing because this is where everything started in my whole YouTube channel. But now we have the MacBook Pro and I wanna just give all thanks to my dad for buying me this thing. And I wanna give thanks to God for giving me this amazing blessing. And this is absolutely gonna change my YouTube channel and my editing. It's gonna make it way easier and way faster. And more videos are gonna come soon, guys. If you like this video, just please subscribe and comment. Give it a like. Share it, I guess. And yeah, I hope whoever watches this, if you want a Mac, I hope you get it soon. But yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. P.S. guys, I'm gonna be filming some videos soon showing basically how good this thing is when I edit this video that you are actually watching right now. And I'm also gonna show a video explaining basically how it's really good for making beats and producing. And I'm going to be uploading that video in my second channel, by the way. Yeah, I have a second channel. It's called eBeats. So for any producers, go check that channel out because I'm going to be showing basically the capability this thing has to produce and make beats. And that's pretty much it. Alright, bye guys.